Make a Scottish lentil soup recipe. Scottish lentil soup is a hearty dish best served on cold winters to warm the body. It's filling, delicious and highly nutritious as lentils make for an excellent source of fiber and protein. Also, it's an economical dish to make while at the same time being great for your health. Here's a simple recipe for Scottish lentil soup. You can make your own variation depending if you want it spicier or add more vegetables if you want to boost the fiber and nutritional value of the dish. Soak the lentils in a bowl of water. Soaking the lentils will speed up the cooking process for this rich protein source. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of red lentils. The longer you soak the lentils, the less time it will take to cook it in the pot. However, soaking it for about 5 to 10 minutes should be enough. Prepare the vegetables. Crush 4 cloves of garlic. Chop 2 large-size onions and dice 2 carrots. Get 3 celery stalks and chop them. Brown the meat. In a large pot over medium-high heat, cook 5 strips of chopped bacon. If you want the soup to have a bit of spice in it, add 1 chopped spicy sausage. Cook until brown and the fat has separated from the meat. Push the meat to the side of the pot. Add the other ingredients. Sauté the garlic, onions, celery, and carrots in the bacon fat. When the onions are translucent, mix in the bacon meat. Drain the water from the lentils. Next, add the lentils in the pot and add 3 cups of water. You may also use some vegetable broth or chicken broth if you have some for a little more flavor. Add some salt, pepper, a few sprigs of parsley and a bay leaf into the pot. Mix the contents in the pot and allow it to simmer together covered for about 20 minutes. Do not add any salt in the pot while cooking the lentils or this will make them tough. Check for the tenderness of the lentils. Mix the pot occasionally and check if the lentils are ready. If you notice the soup getting too thick, add some more water. Avoid overcooking the lentils or they will get mushy. When it is cooked, turn off the heat. You may now add salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot. When the soup is ready, ladle some in individual serving bowls. Serve immediately to enjoy the warmth of the soup. Try this popular Highland dish when you're looking for some comfort food on cold winter nights that will satisfy your cravings. A single bowl of lentils contains up to 25 grams of protein and up to 7 grams of iron. It is also loaded with folate, magnesium, and fiber and can be an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin B and other trace minerals. It's easy to digest and can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Serve the soup with a piece of buttered bread. It's quite simple to make and delicious to eat. Try it.